5 essential tips to sell your home fast and for top dollar. Hi, I am Silvia with RE/MAX Prestige. After 17 years working in this business and with the last 8 years working on myself, I am committed to serve clients better. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 essential tips to help you sell your home quicker and get the best price possible. Stay until the end because I have a bonus tip for you. And that tip is going to make all the difference. If you are thinking on selling your home and need an expert guidance, feel free to call me anytime. Guys, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. So let me start with tip number 1. Great first impression. The importance of the exterior of the home, the landscaping, fresh paint, and clean entrances. Your home first impression can make or break the deal before buying, even walk inside the home. So please remember that tip. Tip number 2, declutter. And it's so important that the buyer go inside the home and can see the home, can picture themselves inside, because sometimes it's so many personal stuff that the buyer can feel the house like their own space. So if you have too many pictures or too many furniture, put in storage. That is a really good tip. Tip number 3, price it right. Competitive price based on market condition is the key. I use my knowledge of the local market and current trends to help sellers to get the price that is going to sell the home. And don't leave any money on the table. But also don't risk scare buyers with a price that is not the price in the home. Tip number 4, stage the home professional. The staging makes a huge difference in presenting the home. It's the way that you can have more money, believe me. I have good connection with professional stagers, so if you need, reach me. I will give the connection. Tip number 5, market strategically. A comprehensive marketing plan with professional photos, social media, real estate platforms, etc. can help reach a large pool of buyers. As an agent, you have access to the latest marketing tools. Like, for example, I have KiwiCore to target the right buyer for you. As I promised, I have a bonus tip. Timing is everything. Choosing the right time to list the home make a big difference. With my experience, I can guide you on the best time to hit the market. It's all based on current trends and buyer demand. So if you are really serious to sell your home, or maybe you want only to know how much your home worth, call me. Call me anytime. My information is going to be in here, so don't haste it. Just in case, I tell you, my phone number is 954-294-6615. Call me. My website, Silvia Ruch Realtor.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this video, because maybe, anyone who think that about selling the home, can help to see this. And also, I promise, this is my first video. But I promise that I'm going to work on more and for different stages on the selling of your home. And also I'm going to talk about buyers, because then when you sell your home, you need to know about buyers, which kind of buyers they are outside, right? Okay, have a wonderful day, and we talk next time. Thank you.